Start by checking the basics. Is the doorbell receiving power? Inspect the wiring connecting the doorbell to your transformer. A multimeter can be used to test the voltage. Lorex doorbells typically require 16 to 24 VAC. If the voltage is outside this range, the transformer may be faulty and need replacement. Loose connections are a common culprit. Ensure all wires are securely fastened. Cold weather can also affect battery-powered models, reducing their operational lifespan. If it's battery-powered, ensure the battery is fully charged or replaced if old. Here's a simplified view of the power flow in your doorbell system. If the doorbell has power but isn't connecting to the Lorex app, begin by ensuring your Wi-Fi network is stable and the doorbell is within range. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and the doorbell is within range. Restart your router and the doorbell itself, if possible, via a reset button. Check the Lorex app for updates. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Verify that the doorbell is properly connected to your Lorex account within the app. Sometimes, re-adding the device can resolve connectivity problems. Clear the app's cache and data, or try reinstalling the app. Lastly, firewall settings or VPNs on your network may interfere with the doorbell's connection. Temporarily disable them to see if it resolves the issue.